This video is just a brief history of the combines that we've had. We started off, the first video was the Massey Ferguson 860, which is where all of this started from. It was just a chance to get a classic combine and use it on a friend's farm. The idea was only to do a few acres and just have a little play. In the end, we ended up doing all of his harvest, and very enjoyable it was with the 860. With more and more work coming in, we had two other contracts coming in, decided to upgrade to the Massey Ferguson 40 RS. This was bought from Cheltenham, L&G Rich we bought it from, brought it back, and as you can see, had the mural sprayed on the back of the Massey Ferguson 2000 series. We had this one for 3 years, and then we had the chance to upgrade to the current combine, which is the Massey Ferguson 7270, which you'll see in the final part of the video. Trading a tractor and the 40 RS, and yeah, this was the first year of using the 7270, and yeah, performed really well. Really happy with it. In fact, I sort of had a few niggles. You'll have seen one of my videos where we're replacing the header skids. We're halfway through that at the minute with the help of Tom at ACC. Yeah, so this is just a brief history. The three combines that we've had started with the Massey Ferguson 860, moved on to the Massey Ferguson 40 RS, and now we moved on to the Massey Ferguson 7270, which Linda said will have to do me for a little while. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment as you feel free. Thank you.